All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video.
Oh, I was off in La La Land. Be sure to like, share, like, and subscribe. And hit the subscribe button. Get in the house.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoy...
Oh, our timing is so off.
What is your obsession with my truck? This bird has been trying to get in my truck for 30 minutes. What's going on today, guys? James from Iron Antler Adventures. Today we're going to What's going on today, guys? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. I'm James. We're back at our old honey hole, and as you can see... Hello everybody, this is James from Iron Antler Adventures. Today we're going to unsolve the...
You bounced.
Yes, I noticed. So we're going to get the camera rolling here, and we're going to find out... So if you enjoy this video, guys, don't forget... I'm talking too fast. So if you enjoy this video, guys, I can't even say video. So if you enjoy this video, guys, be sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And if you're looking for a magnet, go to the code. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We didn't find a whole lot of stuff, but we found some pretty cool stuff. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, guys. Until next time, beard out. I screwed up.